It's important to be a UK manufacturer because we are close to the customer, and also under the roof we've got all functions of the business. We've got engineering, we've got production, we've got the service department. That means we are extremely flexible. So when we want to make any change, we can do it quickly because everybody can work together as a team to achieve our goals rapidly.
What it means to be a UK manufacturer is that you know exactly what it is that you're building. You have the opportunity to design and build and see it all happen in our premises, and that control is something that you can't achieve when you subcontract to either third parties in the UK or other countries around the world.
I do feel it's really important for us to be a UK-based manufacturer. It gives us that ability to adapt, to change, to understand what our users want from a product that's designed for use in the UK environment.
Making in the UK is one of the best things that any company that wants to sell product can do.